Bonjour, amigos! Thanks for tuning back in on Npstation. Are any of you guys going to Mexico or France during spring break? Well, then I think you should definitely stay tuned to watch this video so you can start up a conversation with your neighborly folks. And even if you're not going to any of these places, I think you should still stay tuned so you can impress your family and friends with a new language. Things we know. So I'd really like to thank the author Judy Martialay for sending me these books. And once I got the books and started to read them, I was so excited because I could actually learn a different language. And I am still learning. And I learned so many basic sentences on how to say in French or Spanish. And a few things that I learned is Hola, me llamo Neha. ¿Qué tal está? So that was in Spanish, and now I'm going to say a sentence in French, which means the same thing. Bonjour, je m'appelle Neha. ¿Cómo tu vas? Any guesses on what I said there? Well, what that meant was, hello, my name is Neha. How are you? So, like I said in the beginning of this video, if any of you guys are going to Mexico or France, this is, I think, one of the best things you could say to start up a friendly conversation. So in the book, Hola, Let's Learn Spanish, the author shares a story about this jumping bean that travels to different places. And yes, you heard me, a jumping bean. And in the next book, which is Bonjour, Let's Learn French, the author shares a story where a few kids, they build a sandcastle, and at night, Louis the snail turns out that he reaches the beach and he spends his night at the sandcastle. And there's another chaotic thing that happens during the night before Louis was about to go to bed. And I just love how Judy Martialay, the author, has written these books. And she's not only shared a story, she's also teaching you these new languages. And if you guys want to learn these languages, these are the perfect books to get. And I really wish I got these books before I went to visit Mexico so I could make new friends there and to show off my new language skills. So I really highly recommend these books to you guys because I'm sure that you guys really want to learn some new languages. And like I always say, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. And don't forget to share with your friends.